At Madras, Oregon, the legendary Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress stands as one of the most iconic and technologically advanced bombers of World War I. Built by Boeing in the late 1930s, the B-17 was designed for long-range strategic bombing, combining strength, precision, and survivability. Its all-metal airframe and 4 Wright R-1820 Cyclone radial engines provided power, range, and reliability unmatched at the time, allowing it to fly missions of over 2,000 miles while carrying heavy bomb loads deep into enemy territory. The B-17's innovative defensive design featured up to 1350 caliber machine guns, earning it the nickname Flying Fortress. It also included redundant control systems, self-sealing fuel tanks, and armor plating to protect the crew, setting new standards for bomber survivability. Equipped with the Norden bombsight, one of the most advanced optical targeting systems of its era, the B-17 could deliver pinpoint bombing accuracy, a major leap in wartime technology. Today, the preserved B-17s at Madras Airport represent more than just aircraft. They're living testaments to the engineering brilliance and innovation that defined the golden age of aviation. From its rugged design to its precision systems,